Honestly, I am just very doubtful because I'm not pretty sure about the color, because there are a few colors. I've seen videos on TikTok with black framed colors or like smaller version. It's like a hard decision. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with the frame, and then I will go with the photos and pictures. I will show you the way. Today I want to go and get my vision board pictures printed. I'm so excited for my first ever official vision board in my room, and I'm thrilled for branding myself in 2026. It's gonna be great. So tag along with me. There are just so many pieces of paper left, so I have to do them until the next day. Yeah, because right now I'm so tired and I need to do lots of things. Now let's just stick the pictures. As you can see, my vision board is complete and I'm so happy for that. I couldn't fit all the pictures into this frame, but I think that's enough. And I think this is so motivational, inspirational, and just my style, most importantly. I hope you make yourself a one and try your best for this new year. This is your sign to get up and go for your vision board. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.